Hi guys, welcome to Sandy Reviews. So this is the first video in my channel, and in this channel we are gonna review food. So ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ all the restaurants I will go, see the food, taste the food, see the ambience and see the price and tell all those to you guys so that even you can go experience the same thing. Logo la pata there is Rajini's face. Just to tell you guys that I'm a biggest Rajini fan. That is why I have put his face in the logo. So thank you guys. So let's see what we are going to review, and come, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to Sandy Reviews. So today we are here to review on this restaurant named Tarbosh, which is in Bell Road, very close by to MS Ramaya Medical College. So let's see what special they have in here. The name of Tarbosh means this hat. This hat is called Tarbosh. Okay, so let's see what special they have today. Guys, we have ordered today healthy breast boneless grilled chicken, which is 120 rupees here. They are giving one piece chicken, pita bread, salad and mayo. And we have ordered one special shawarma, which is Turkish style, not the normal one. And one sheikh kebab, which we have told, because in Istanbul, kebabs are very famous. So we'll see how juicy and well it is. So this is what we have got. So let's try. I'll tell you how this is. It's good. It is something very different because it is little blunt, but it's good. It gives a different taste. The peri sauce it gives a different flavor altogether, and they've given little lettuce. Vegetables are very fresh here. It's good. It's good. It's worth the money. And this the entire platter costs us 120 rupees. So you can see here. This is a piece of chicken which is here. I think so. One person can easily have. So this is what we have ordered here is kebab. You can see, so yummy kebab. So one chicken and one lamb. So they have different prices here. Chicken is 50 rupees. This one piece is 50 rupees, and they have different kind of pieces. Okay, so let's taste this and see. You want to? The flavor itself is completely different, and especially this sauce on this, the peri sauce is giving very level. This is recommended. You can come and taste this. It's called kebab, which you can ask. They have their own menu where you can check this in the menu. It is amazing. I'll check lamb. Let's see how's this. It is cooked so well that as soon as it goes in the mouth, it's melting. It is amazing. Wow, that is great. You can taste. And Turkish, I want to tell in Istanbul, as I told you before, as I told you guys before, it is best known for street foods. And if you see, they have the biggest doner shawarma. What you see there, which is kept there, and one the Turkish londu, it's world's biggest shawarma roll. You can find it. You can see in YouTube. You will find it if you search it. So they are so good in street food, especially in non-veggies. So this is the third dish which we are having here. It's called tarbosh shawarma. So let's see this. Let's see. So they have the same kind of sauce which they are using for all the dishes. It's their own special sauce. So let's see how the shawarma is. They've used lettuce here. They've used chicken because I've ordered chicken shawarma here. So let's see how is this. It's quite different. It's not like the person who's here. He told me shawarma will be different. And it is different. It is not like the normal shawarma. You have to come and try. I think so. They have put French fries also in this, which is giving a different flavor altogether. The chicken is well cooked again, which I told you before, like how it was in kebab. The same thing even in this, the chicken is well cooked. So yes, you have to come and try here. Superb. I'll tell you. I'll put all the price details in the description, and I'll tell you how much is the price also. For 90 rupees, which is here, and it is worth 90 rupees is worth what we can give it to this. So this is the last dish which we have ordered. So this is called chicken alfam, if I'm not wrong. Correct. It is grilled chicken alfam. You can see it is too juicy. They've used the same sauce again, and they have this fresh veggies here. They have given mayonnaise, they have given French fries, and they have given these pitas here. So let's see how this tastes. This they've given the entire quarter chicken, you can see, and this is cost just 140. It is just, so you can see how juicy this is. This is completely cooked like I told you, and the speciality here is they grill it. Even the shawarma here, they cook there, they cut again, put it in this pan which is here to the plates. So what happens here if they do that? It gets cooked well. So we'll taste the chicken here. So if you want, chicken. It is nice. It's very nice. It's very delicious. As I told you before, it's very juicy. The chicken is very, very juicy. Something juicy is really good. You can see how juicy this is. So this, and with this mayonnaise, it's the best. My stomach is already full because I've tasted almost 3 dishes here in this place, and I feel like having more. Unfortunately, stomach is full, but it's good. Very delicious. This is very tasty. Especially you can see this is too fresh. And 140 ki ungalku yellow item kedikiradhu. It's good. Bare level, yav level out of story. Super. Don't get confused, I'm talking in all 3 languages. The only reason is I'm in Bangalore. So people here in Bangalore speak all the languages. Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. So as Kannada is important, I have to talk in Kannada to you guys as well. So it's nice, it's very good. So after tasting all the non-veg and my stomach is full, I'm going to taste again veg dish only for you guys to know that veg dish are available here. So you can come and try that as well. So let me try first and tell you what it is. This is like, this is called falafel platter. They give falafels, French fries, again those pitas which is here, and some rice which they have given. I'll taste and tell you what kind of rice it is. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் see how it is. இது நம்ம ஊர் மசால் வடை மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஸோ பார்க்கலாம் எப்படி இருக்குதுன்னு. ஸோ நம்ம ஊரில் வந்து ஆயா சுடுவாங்க வடை, ஆனால் இங்கே வந்து இவர் சுட்டுக்கிறார் வடை நம்மளுக்காக. பட் இட்ஸ் குட். சொல்கிறாங்களே மசால் வடை தான், அந்த மாதிரி இட் இஸ் சூப்பர். யூ கம் அண்ட் டேஸ்ட். ஆல் வெஜிடேரியன் அவுட் தேர், யூ ஹேவ் டு கம் அண்ட் டேஸ்ட் திஸ் falafel platter, which is good. So இந்த ரைஸ், இந்த வடை கூட கொடுத்து இந்த ரைஸ் கொஞ்சம் டேஸ்ட் பண்ணலாம். வில் டேஸ்ட் த ரைஸ் அண்ட் வில் see how this rice is. It's somewhat a plain rice. கொஞ்சம் லெமன் ஃப்ளேவர் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதுக்கு லெமன் ரைஸ் நினச்சிக்காதங்க. இட்ஸ் குட். இட்ஸ் அ குட் ரைஸ். இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் டு ஃபில் யுவர் ஸ்டமக். பட் திஸ் the vada, which is called falafel, it is amazing. It's good. Tasted 3 dishes here and I'm full. We have tasted shawarma, grilled chicken, that is healthy breast boneless grilled chicken, and alfam here. So it is good, and they have veg also. I've tried falafel, which was very good, and they have a paneer roll. It is recommended that you guys try paneer roll as well. So we have the store owner here. We'll check with him how did he start his business and how the business is for him and what his food is all about. We'll just have a word with him. Yeah.
Hi.
So how did you start this business?
See, I was in the IT background. I tasted this before Egypt. The food was really good, and I thought, why can't we start? Then later on, I have started.
Okay, but before coming, I was just reading little articles about Turkish food, and I heard that they use fresh vegetables. So how are you able to manage those fresh vegetables?
The thing is, like, I take up all that.
Okay.
I used to go to market every day. Every morning, I purchase whatever I want.
Okay, so he's telling that he goes early in the morning and gets all the vegetables. That's why it's fresh, and no doubt about it, the vegetables were very fresh. And one thing that I forgot to inform you guys, that they use olive oil here, and you know how healthy that oil is. That is why they've mentioned it's called healthy breast boneless chicken. Okay, so it was that healthy, and it was very tasty, very delicious. It is recommended that you guys come here. It is close by to the MS Ramaiah College here in Bell Road in Bangalore. Please come visit the store and have the food and tell me in comments that how the taste was. Okay, so that's it for the video. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. Subscribe means subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon there so that you get more update on the other reviews which I do in the other parts of Bangalore in different restaurants. So for now, signing off, Sandy here from Sandy Reviews. Tada, see you, bye bye.